So we can go ahead and open first chroma. See what we get. Alright, not too bad, not too bad. Got a little purple right off the bat, good for bets. Next case. Come on. Dang, all those purples in a row and I get a blue. That just makes perfect sense. Perfect sense. Alright, that looks pretty new though. Nah, there's some stuff up here. It's probably minimal wear. Yeah, it makes sense. Alright. Next case. Another Deagle, looks like. Yep, another Deagle. Got the Naga. It's not too bad. Looks like it's the same condition as last time. I think they're both minimal wear. Yeah. Alright. Let's mix this up real quick. Should we do the Falchion? Gaben did 7-11. That's so true. Let's do a Falchion real quick. Alright, this is what I'm wanting from these cases. These Op Hyper Beasts. Oh, I want these so bad. And got the Torque. In my opinion, I absolutely hate that skin. So, but that does look damn near fact new. No, it's not fact new, but oh, minimal wear. It looks a little bit better than that, but alright. Alright, let's go back to the chromas. Ooh, almost got the Cartel. We were close there. Close. Got the Quicksilver, not a fan of that one. Alright. Something good. Some giving away. I'm not gonna give that away. I feel too bad if I gave that away. Alright, I'll keep that one. Alright, let's say, alright, I'll give whatever comes up in this one. Whatever comes up in this, I'll give away. System lock. Damn, y'all's luck's just not the greatest right now, is it? Alright, let's see. Let's see, let's gonna go with another breakout. Another breakout. No, dude! What? What? Knife? Bro! Blue steel? Oh my god! Get the fuck out of here. What the hell? Dude, we just got a knife last night. Are you serious? Bro. What the fuck? Dude. What the hell? Oh my god.